Oh, yes. Yeah, Taco Cat. I know. Come on. Yeah. Okay. That was Bob, you know.
We've been expecting you.
Hello, Bob.
We've been expecting you. We have a very important assignment for you.
Yes, an assignment. But first, sign this. Good work.
Your mission,
Thank you.
Jack, is to break into the museum and steal the prize diamond on a display.
Do you look worthy enough?
I warn you guys, I sneeze when I'm nervous.
Okay, sure. You're dismissed. Please cut out for this, like I'm cutting out these stars.
He's the best in business.
I'm the security guard. I think something's wrong.
Okay.
Don't say that. Hey, Donald Trump, how's it going?
We can't sell beef.
Diamond!
It's peanuts.
And I really like
He's got the diamond. Stop him. Jack,
Excellent work!
he really pulled it off.
Just came out, and I'm tied with Jeb Bush. And I said, oh, that's stupid. How can I be tied with this guy? He's terrible.
No!
You people know a lot about trucks. Bing, bing, bong. Thank you very much.